Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable lecturers, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurul Ramdaini. I'm from English Education Department, University of Singapore Bangsa Karawang, 2017. In this opportunity, I would like to present my research paper to fulfill the requirement for the Sarjana Pendidikan degree. I'm going to start my presentation. First of all, I'm going to mention about my research title is Padlet Assisted Descriptive Text Writing, Indonesian English Foreign Language Senior High School Student Experience. The reason why I chose this topic because when I was doing PLP or pre-service teachers, there are a lot of experience, and I found that the students face difficulty in learning descriptive text. Okay, let's move to the background of the research. Student writing skill hold important role to support their achievement. It is an important skill must be mastered by student. Harmer 2004 stated that writing is the only skill that can produce substantial product which can touch, read, and store for a long time. In fact, learning to write is not an easy thing for the student. There are many factors that can affect the level of student ability in writing, such as internal factor and external factors. Some students have difficulty writing in English, and they think that learning English is very complicated. This was found by me when I doing PLP. The students were still confused with the various type of text and their structures, such as when the students were asked to make descriptive text. Some students make a report text and recount text. It is supported by Noprianto 2017. He said that the difficulty in writing descriptive text with chronological scheme structures. To help the problem, the teachers need to create fun learning that can stimulate students in process of developing English skill. However, with the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, learning is done online, and this has an effect on the use of media in teaching and learning process. Currently, there are many media that can be used to run online writing learning. To bright to the online writing application, the teacher might use Padlet as the learning media. There are several previous research about Padlet in writing. The first is Taufikur Rahman 2018. In his research, there are a significant difference on the student ability to Padlet assisted in descriptive text writing. And then Isma Wardani and Sulistianto 2019 show that the use of Padlet as a media in learning is effective. And then Fadilawati, Rahmawati and Mansur 2020 state that Padlet can improve the student writing achievements. To complete with the researches, this research focused on the different side. I am interested to explore the student perception after experiencing descriptive text learning process through by Padlet. Based on the background of the research, there are two research questions. The first is how do the student engage in Padlet assisted descriptive text writing, and then the second is how do the student perception of the use of Padlet as learning media in descriptive text writing. And the purpose of the research, the first is to investigate how the student engage in Padlet assisted descriptive text writing, and then the second is to describe the student perception of the use Padlet as a learning media in descriptive text. Okay, let's move to the literature's review. There are several points such as perception, student perception, writing, descriptive writing, and Padlet. Okay, the first is perception. What is the perception? I put it because I discussed about perception. According to Kyung 2017, perception is a process experienced by individuals to recognize and identify the existence of all types of stimuli and then evaluate and give meaning to them. Okay, the next is writing. What is the definition of writing? And then Harlena, Muhayyar, and Hamzah 2019 state that writing is a way to express and explain the idea of the author to the readers. And then the process of writing, according to Harmer 2004, there are four main steps of the writing. The first is planning, the second is preparation, the third is editing, and then the last is final version. Okay, the next is descriptive text. The definition of descriptive text according to Anderson and Anderson 2003 that said that descriptive text is describe a particular person, place, or thing. And then the generic structure of descriptive text, they are divided into two. The first is the identification, and then the second is description. The next is Padlet. Padlet application as media or teaching descriptive text. According to Taufikur Rahman 2018, Padlet is a free access application that can be used to display any user-generated topic information on the bulletin board or wall. Let's move to the methodology. In this research, I used the qualitative approach with case study as the research design. And for site, the research conduct at one of senior high school in Karawang, and for the participant is 11 grade student of senior high school. And then I use a purposive sampling technique and selected 3 students to be interviewed. For the data collection technique, in this research, the data collected through the interview. I use the interview to find out data about the student perception, and then for data analysis, I use to Miles and Huberman 2014. There are 3 stages. The first is reduction, the second is data display, and then the third is drawing conclusion and verification. Okay, let's move to the finding and discussion. In the finding, I want to divide the finding into 2. The first is how do the student engage in Padlet assisted descriptive text writing. The first point is discuss the activities of writing descriptive text using a Padlet. I am as a teacher convey the material about descriptive text, the material explained by me, and then after that, after learning using Padlet, the students say that it can improve their collaboration, and because they can discuss with friends and can also respond to each other, and then can share links, posts, and others. So based on the statement in descriptive text, learning activities using Padlet can improve the student collaboration. Students are easier to understand descriptive text because they can discuss with other friends. Okay, the next is advantages of using Padlet. When students using Padlet in learning, they got the advantage such as being a place for discussion and increase their vocabulary. They said that they can increase their vocabulary because they can see posts from their friend, and they read and find out and ask to their friend about what their friend wrote. And then it can be concluded that Padlet have advantage that can help the student in learning descriptive text. Okay, the next is the challenges of using Padlet faced by student. The challenges that the student face in using Padlet is internet connection, because Padlet require a stable connection to operate. So students said that the obstacle is using Padlet is the problem of internet network. Okay, the second terms is how the student perception of the use of Padlet as learning media in descriptive text. The first point is the student are able to write effectively. The student gave positive response regarding to use Padlet as learning media in descriptive text. And then the next is the student felt happy to write descriptive text. According to the student opinion, when they learn descriptive text by using Padlet, they felt happy. They said that this application is more fun than other application. Okay, the second is process of writing descriptive text on Padlet to generate idea. In the process of writing descriptive text using Padlet, students were required to be able to generate their ideas to write descriptive text. And then at this stage, I asked students to think of the description of the image that had been displayed on Padlet, and ask the student to make a Padlet or to make a descriptive text. And then after that, the student said that by using Padlet in learning process of descriptive text can make easier for them to make descriptive text. Okay, the next is the student easily to solve their problem. Using Padlet in descriptive text can solve the problem faced by student, and Padlet can help the student in solving their problem they face when writing descriptive text. And then the student need suggestion to develop their writing skill. Therefore, the suggestion and feedback from teachers and other friends are very important to solve their writing problems. So based on the explanation, it can be concluded that the Padlet in learning descriptive text, it can increase the student collaboration and can develop student writing descriptive text more freely expressing their idea, and also explore student knowledge and experience in writing descriptive text. And also the challenges faced by student is internet network problems. And then the response of the student had positive response about the use of Padlet in as learning media in descriptive text. So it can be concluded that Padlet in learning to write descriptive text has positive effect on making students find it easier to express their thought and helping during the learning process of writing descriptive text. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thank you for your nice attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.